Okay. By no probability of having a male child is the same as that as having a female child. Probability of B for boy, and probability of G for girl. We're both 0.5. Couple has 6 children. Find probability that all are girls. So we're studying girls, which means not that matters because they're the same, but our P is going to be 0.5 from the girls. So P is 0.5. And N, couple has 6 children. So we're studying N is equal to 6. And it said find a probability that all are girls. Well, um, that's wrong. Should be 6 there. I just went through and changed numbers. So yeah, 0 boys, 6 girls. So I'm studying girls, and they're all girls. That means probability X equals 6. So all of them are girls. Now, with this form right here, probability X equals, whatever falls your X equals is your A. So in this problem, A is equal 6. We're going to put it in this form here. So equals binom dot dist A, A N P A N P is 0.5 and then false. Change it to percent by moving decimal point 2 places to the right. So we'll have, and round 1 decimal place, and we'll have 1.6%.